getting to the old fuel tank, clearing out around it, then we're going to move it to another place on the property. And there's also an old plow over here, so we'll get to it as well. Alright, so getting over here to the old fuel tank, clearing away from it. I hate these flies. Anyway, and then we're going to move this tank to somewhere else on the property. I think so, yeah. I was going to pick it up, but look, this is like a sled here.
Right.
Or a sleigh.
I saw the front of it and I was like, well.
Yeah, that's what this is for. That's empty.
Yep.
Well, let's drag it first and see what happens.
Okay.
Because that's... Well, isn't that cool? I need to do that to mine. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, I'll sit it here and we'll pull it out. I may grab some of this to just kind of get it, and we'll do that. See if I can get it any more. Give this a little more stick so I can clear beneath the tree limbs here. Alright, now we're going to pull the old disc out. Grab onto it and give her a pull. All right. Yeah, I know, right? I saw it a minute ago. There it is. Yeah, right there. So let me see if I want to actually grab that. That's not bad. Actually not very heavy. At least the front. The tongue isn't. Yeah, I know. Wonder if... Yeah, lose this. Alright. Anything additional. Hey, Ava, once I start pulling it, maybe we'll try to lose that old wagon wheel over there too. Let me dislodge it first and we'll see what stragglers may come. Take a little tongue pressure off the disc, but it is actually disking. Each axle is still turning. I tell you. That's something. Okay, still working my way to the tractor. The trailer in here as well. There's also some farm implements. At some point there's a car in there. We're going to leave the car alone for now. There's more stuff, more farm implements. I see the car now, I think. My goodness. I'm going to take this tree out. Alright, so I'm going to clear out a little corner over here. I mean, there's a lot of property here, but I want to find something close by because there's a tractor, a trailer, a lot of things, old farm implements in the woods that haven't moved in decades, and I mean decades. So clearing out a little spot over here so that we can continue to tow these items out and have a place for them to sit, a little holding position for them to sit. Wow. It's been here for some time. Wow. It's a heavy duty trailer, some heavy springs on it. Heck, I think these tires may still be up. That tire's inflated still. The heavy springs on that. You see them? Yeah, that's a heavy duty trailer. I think both tires are still up. I may be wrong. Yeah, I think the tires are still up on this. Give it a pull and see what we got. Wish we had one of our heavy chains with us, but move around that axle here. There's this wheel here. Man, I don't know if I can get that wheel out. It's got roots. It's these buggy rims here. Get it out. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Rims. Alright, I'm just going to lay down on the ground. Remind me where it's at in a little bit. Ooh. I'm not going to be able to get this one out until we move the tractor a little bit.
I was thinking about the front tires too.
That steering wheel, unless we can turn that steering wheel to the right, then I don't know if we can.
I wonder if there was
Oh, it's not frozen. Well, it might be. No, it's not turning anything. We'll just have to break it loose and see what happens from the ground. Yeah, so watch that wasp nest in the tank. Around it. That sounds good. We'll see what happens here. Hopefully we don't break a chain. We might though. We'll find out. Yep. Alright, got these little weak chains. We'll see what we can do. Hopefully they don't snap. Oh, that one on the top came loose.
Yeah, I saw that.
I'm gonna bring it down, and instead of me just trying to lift it, I'm gonna try to pull it to free it. I'm gonna do that. Good thing I put the blade in front of me in case this thing wants to freewheel. It can stop me with my blade. I doubt that'll happen, but you never know. Okay, I need to make sure I miss our fuel tank. Looks like I am. Gonna miss it. Let's reposition and keep pulling. Maybe I ought to hook this up to the trailer. That'd be funny. Maybe I ought to hook this up to the trailer, make it look good. For sale. Working tractor.
Did she tell you that people were like paying for it and they'd never come get it?
Really?
Yeah. They just never pick it up.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
That's something. That is crazy. Right? Oh, it's cool. It's very cool. I say we get your chains on here as low as you can.
Yeah.
With one chain, wrap it in a little bit of a web around some of the lower parts.
Right.
And we take the second chain and we hook it onto that, and we pull this straight up in the air. I think that'll get us over the trees coming up in it. Go under this one. Yeah, there you go. Under there. You blend in down there.
Yep, probably.
That's right. Good camo. Hey, looks like an old harvester right here. Boy, now this one may need a bigger thing to move. I have to move this one tomorrow. An old car back there. We're not going to do anything with the car, but yeah. Yeah, that's a 4-cylinder engine on there. So, like I said, it's got a car motor on the front of it. Wrap it around your teeth to even them out.
I didn't realize it would go.
I know, right? I'll see what happens. This old baler sure weighs a lot. Try to free it from the ground first and back up and see if we're going to budge this. I'm not going to hit the car, am I? Okay, good. Wow.